Download and install the Visual Studio Code. Download Python from the official site. Run the Python installer. Mark the checkboxes of Add Python to Path. Use admin privileges. Select Custom Installation. Leave all the optional features selected. Click Next. Select Install for all users. Click Install. After the setup is successful, close the installer window. Launch the Visual Studio Code. Click the Open folder to create a folder. Click Yes, I trust the authors. Add a file to the created folder with the extension py. After detecting the file type, the VS Code displays recommendations. Click the extensions. Search Python. Select and install the Python extension. It will install IntelliSense, debugging, and other useful tools. Write some Python code in the created file. From the File menu, click Save All. Right-click in the file. Point over to Run Python file in Terminal. You can see the code output in the Terminal panel. Alternatively, click the debug icon to run the code. Subscribe for more videos like this.